Welcome to Big Cheese Outdoors. I'm Big Cheese. And this is Mrs. Cheese right here joining me today. And everybody, we're heading outdoors. And there's our little friend. There was about 3 or 4 more, but they ran the other way. This guy ran the opposite way for some reason. So anyways, everybody, we're just out here for a little chainsaw hike. We're gonna go up to the fisheries trail and we're gonna start removing all those down trees that blew down last week. So stick with us, everybody. Roll right over there. We'll bring it down. How we're doing right over here. Huh? Do it on this side. I'll get the bigger. Please, look at that.
That one's done. On to the next one. Boom!
Put on that stick that you're holding. Come and give it a hand.
My toes are starting to hurt.
Wait, I gotta move on.
Bear poop.
Bear poop. Got a view here.
Unreal.
What did you hear, everybody? That river shore is ready to break any time now.
Okay.
It's quite the hill, everybody. It's really fun, that's for sure. Oh, another tree down, everybody. Gotta get rid of it. We made it to the top, everybody! Woohoo! What a hike that hill is, everybody. You can tell it's quite the distance up here. Really cool trail. I really love that trail. I'm glad I found it this year. Whoever made it, awesome job.
I jumped. Oh my God. Couldn't do that twice.
How's it going, everybody? It's our favorite time of day. Coffee time! Here you go, honey bunny.
Thank you. I don't want the lid though.
Oh, you don't want
No.
Cheers, my honey.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Here's to good chainsaws, lots of trees down, and of course, good coffee, everybody.
It's good. Hot.
Oh, that's the best coffee in that French press. That's definitely my favorite way to do coffee. Well, guys, today we're just up here hiking around with a chainsaw, removing all those down trees. And what you're going to see on the footage is at least probably about a quarter of what we've actually cut. We didn't want to film it all. We want to be too boring, so I'd say we're after removing about 100 trees so far. So here it is, everybody. We're having a time up here. Of course, we're enjoying the view again. We're at our favorite spot. Cheers to you guys again. We'll talk to you in a bit. We're going to sit back here now and enjoy our coffee. And in a minute, we're going to have some grilled cheese sandwiches. Right now, we're just going to fire up the grill here and have some grilled cheese sandwiches. It's crazy fast.
It is really fast.
Yummy! Grilled cheesies. The cheese on you. She's cheesy. It ain't easy being big cheesies.
So we came to another campsite area and discovered that it was covered in beer cans and garbage and God only knows what else. So anyways, we're picking it up. And then my husband decided to find this. Hello. So he's down there picking up all the garbage. Unreal.
We're out here today cleaning up some garbage from 2 fire pit areas. We basically got 2 full bags of cans and a half bag of garbage. Come on, people. We have to do better than this. How's it going, everybody? We're just coming to the end of our chainsaw hike here. We had a great day and now the weather is just phenomenal. We ended up picking up lots of garbage, so that's awesome. We cleaned up about 100 trees that were down, so that's awesome. If anybody wants to like and subscribe to my videos, I'd really appreciate that. And everybody, you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you on the next one.